In my last video, I explained how AI agents are like digital workers. They think, plan, act, check, and repeat until your task is done. And I specifically mentioned they have hands or tools to actually do things, like booking rides or handling emails. Well, today we're zooming in on those hands. And to make those hands actually work properly, there's one absolutely essential thing you must know. If you miss this, the foundation of any AI agent remains unfinished. That thing is API. So why should you care about APIs? Simple. If you're using tools like N8N, Relevance AI, Make.com, or Zapier to build real AI agents, APIs are what connect everything. They're the bridge. Without them, your agent can't talk to Google Calendar, Gmail, or any app. You end up stuck. No bookings, no emails, no automation. But once you get APIs, you unlock the full power. Your agent becomes a pro assistant that grabs data, sends messages, updates schedules, all on its own. And trust me, it's easier than you think. First, for those who don't know me, I am Shadley Benzadid. Although I graduated with a bachelor's in dental surgery, I'm now working 100% on AI automation, building AI agents, creating AI content, and everything related to AI. While making different complex AI agents, I thought, I should try my best to explain, teach, and share my knowledge to people in the simplest way possible, so anyone can understand the basics of AI agents. That's exactly what I'll try in this video. API stands for Application Programming Interface. In very simple words, it's a set of rules that lets different apps or programs talk to each other, like a bridge or a translator between them. It allows one piece of software, like your AI agent, to ask another piece of software, like Gmail or Google Calendar, for information or to do something, without knowing how the other one works inside. The best way to really understand API is to picture how things work in a busy restaurant, with the customer, the waiter, and the chef in the kitchen. Imagine this. You walk into your favorite restaurant, stomach rumbling because you're really hungry. You find a nice table, sit down, open the menu, and smile at the waiter. You say, "I'd love a chicken burger, extra crispy fries, and a nice cold Coke. Thank you." The waiter, that's exactly what an API is. Listens carefully, writes down your order neatly, walks back to the kitchen, that's the server or back-end system, hands it straight to the chef, stands there patiently while the chef works his magic, sizzling the patty, frying those extra fries just right, pouring the Coke with ice, and then the waiter comes back smiling, carrying your perfect plate straight to you. That's exactly how the internet works too. It's the same simple idea. When you type, "What is an AI agent?" on your phone, this is what happens behind the scenes. Your phone sends the request, "Hey Google, what is an AI agent?" The API takes that message and carries it safely to Google's servers. That's the kitchen. Google's system quickly looks through everything, finds the best answers or videos. The API brings the result right back to your phone, super fast and clean. Imagine you built your own personal AI agent automation in N8N. You connected it to Telegram so you can just chat with it anytime. Now suppose you're busy, and you open Telegram and message your agent. "Hey, check my Gmail. Is there anything I need to reply to? If yes, see if I'm free at 3 p.m. tomorrow, and log it all in a Google Sheet for me." Your agent wakes up and starts thinking right away. First it says to itself, "Okay, step 1, Gmail." It grabs the Gmail tool, read emails, find important ones, draft replies. So it quietly sends a request through Gmail's API. The Gmail kitchen replies, "2 new ones. Boss wants a meeting tomorrow." Next, the agent picks the Google Calendar tool. Schema says, "Check free slots, book events." It sends another API request. "Is 3 p.m. tomorrow free?" Google answers, "Yes." So the agent books the meeting right there, then goes back to Gmail and sends a quick reply. Finally, log everything. It chooses the Google Sheets tool. Add a row with date, time, summary. One more API call. "Add this to my sheet. Meeting with boss, 3 p.m., replied." Google Sheets updates silently in the background. And just like that, in under a minute, your inbox is handled, calendar is updated, and everything is neatly logged. You just connect the APIs once. Gmail, Calendar, Sheets. Give the agent the tool manuals and prompt it like normal. The APIs do the heavy lifting, fetching, updating, sending. That's it for today. So, I hope now you know what an API is and how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.